These 5 money mistakes are completely normal and completely destroying your financial future. Let's fix them today. Nobody teaches you this stuff in school. You graduate, get a job, start spending, and before you know it, you're 35 wondering where all the money went. These aren't laziness mistakes, they're information mistakes. Mistake 1, paying yourself last. Always pay yourself first. Automate savings before anything else. Mistake 2, keeping all your money in a current account earning 0%. Move your savings to a high-yield account. Italian online banks now offer 3 to 4% annually. Mistake 3, no investing at all. Even €50 per month in an index fund compounds massively over 20 years. Mistake 4, lifestyle inflation. Every raise gets spent immediately. Mistake 5, no financial goal. Saving without a target is like driving with no destination. €50 per month invested at age 25 becomes over €76,000 by age 55 at average market returns. The same investment starting at 35 becomes only €30,000. Starting early is the single biggest advantage you can have. Which mistake are you guilty of? Be honest in the comments. No judgment. Like this video if it opened your eyes and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.